Hello everyone, welcome to this array series in JavaScript. And today's question for the day is that we are given two unsorted arrays and you have to return only the unique element. Like if you have an array 1, 2, 2, 0, 4, 3. So this is your array and B is 2, 6, 3, 3. Okay. So you have to combine and the output will become unique elements you have to combine. So suppose if I'm combining A with B, then 1, 2, 0, 4, 3. Now come to here. 2 is already there, 6 and 3 is already there. So this will becomes your output. Okay. How do we do this? So let's take up one by one different methods we have for this. Method number 1. Whenever we talk of the unique elements, we know we have a very famous data structure set. What is the property of set? Set data structure contains only unique element, Okay. Function return unique. We will be getting two array A, B. So let's declare a set const s is equal to new. I hope it is looking like new set, isn't it? And what we have to pass inside this, we have to pass these A and B. So this is A, okay, and directly here comma dot B. I hope you know these properties of this spread operator. So these spread operators will return iterables of A and B to this set. So now we have the set which contains unique element of A and B. Now we have to return also. We have to return as an array, right? So return. If you have a set, so directly you can return like this. So this will return this output as an array, You can also return this way, array dot from. Okay, so this will return as an array. So from the set it will take out and return as an array. So this was your method 1. Let's talk of method 2. Now suppose it is given that you cannot use set property. Then how do we do this? Okay. So that is like implementing the same set data structure but from the scratch. Okay. So you have two input array A and B. Okay. We will create an property object. We will create an object property. First write the method function return unique. Okay, it should be together unique, and we have A, B, two array. Okay. Let object, we will create an object, empty object. Okay. You know what is object? Object contains key value pair. Okay. For let I is equal to 0, I less than A dot length I plus plus, isn't it? Next, object of A of I. Object of A of I we will assign as A of I. Now what it will do? See, I'm show you. Suppose you have an 1, 2, 2, 3. This is your A. Okay. So first loop, we have 1. So it will create to 1 is to 1. first object, second object, inside this only. Okay, next, second pair, you have 2, so object of 2, so object of 2, 2 is to 2. Next again we have 2, so object of 2. Now instead of creating this, we already have the key as 2. Now if you already have key as 2, that means it will be here only. So this, this won't be like, it will be duplicated over here at this place only. No extra key will be created. Next we have 3, so 3 is to 3. That's it. So you can see all the unique elements we have now in this object. Same thing we will perform on array B. For let I is equal to 0, I less than B dot length I plus plus. Again, object of B of I is equal to B of I. So now we have all the unique elements inside this object. Now we have all the unique elements as key value pair. Now we have to take out from the key also. So for final printing, for let I in object, so let's suppose I am creating a return let array, okay, which I'll return as at the end. So array dot push I, okay, array dot push of object of I. This way better, right? Okay, so at the end you can return array. So so we have basically created a set data structure from the scratch, this object property. Okay, next let's go to the method number 3. If you talk of the method number 3, very famous filter, and filter using concat. Okay, now first thing, what is concat? Concat is used to combine 2 array. Okay, now why we are using concat over here? Concat will be combining the 2 arrays. It will combine the 2 arrays. It will combine the 2 arrays. Okay, now filter, it will return the unique elements. It will return unique elements. Okay, so let's come to the coding part. So first we will combine both the arrays. So a dot concat b. Now what it will be having all the elements of a along with the b. Now let's perform the filter operation. So return, the function will return array dot filter, okay, filter. So what it will be, let's suppose I have value comma index, array dot if now filter, I can directly return the parameter of filtering, that dot array dot index of value should be equal to index. That's it. So this loop ends over here. Now let's have a look at the dry run, what actually it is doing over here. So let's suppose after combining you are having this array 1 5 3 3 4 2 comma 2. Okay, this is your after combining a and b. Okay, Now what is this index of doing? Index of, remember, the index of will return the index of this value. Now which index? It will returns the first index, returns the first index, first index. Like for example, if you see here index 0 1, let's use some different color, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Suppose this is your index. If I ask you what is the index of 3, what is the index of 3? So index of 3 is 2 as well as 3, but the index of this method will return only the first index. If I ask what is the index of 2, so you will answer will be 5. So suppose the loop starts from here, 1. What is the index of 1? 0. 0 equal to 0, 0 equal to 0, yes, so 1 will become output. Next, what is the index of 5? What is the index of 5? Index of 5 is 1. 1 equal to 1, yes, output goes 5. Next, what is the index of 3? Index of 3 is 2. 2 equals to 2, yes, 2 will come here. Okay. Next, let's see over there. Okay. Next, again 3 we are having. What is the index of 3? Now this index of 3 in this one will return 2, but this index, but actual index is 3. 2 equal to 3, no. 2 equals to 3, no, so this won't come here. What is the index of 4? What is the index of 4? So this will return 4 equals to 4, yes, so 4 will come here. Next, what is the index of 5? 2. 2 equals to 2, yes, so 2 will come here. What is the index of 2? 5. But what is the actual index? 6. No, so 6 won't come, so this is your output. I hope it is clear. Next, method number 4. Same thing what we used in filter, we can implement it using reduce operator. Let's see how. So first, reduce and concat, obviously, because we have to apply this reduce on both combined array, right? So concat. Okay, so first we will do let array is equal to a dot concat b. So now we have combined array, return array dot reduce. If you remember, reduce takes two. One is the accumulator, another is current value. Okay, one is accumulator, another will be the current value. Next, we have to check like suppose first time this array. So every time we have to check whether this current is present in the accumulator or not. So if accumulator dot includes current, if accumulator dot includes, so if it does not include, then what we have to do, we have to accumulator dot push current, accumulator dot push current, and at the end we have to return accumulator also. We have to return accumulator. But when the braces ends, we have to assign the initial value to the receiver. What is the initial value? We have an empty array. What is an accumulator? It is an empty array. So we will be assigning empty array. That's it. So every time 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Okay. Now 2, current value is 2. Empty value is nothing. So accumulator is not containing 2. So the output will become 2. Next 3. Next value, current value is 3. Is your this is accumulator, sorry, yeah. So is 3 present in accumulator? No, so it will push 3. Next, again 3 current value, current, is accumulator contains 3? Yes, so it won't push. Now 4, is your 4 present in accumulator? No. Again 4, is 4 present? Yes, so it won't push. So this is your output array answer. So so in this class we learned about how to combine the two arrays and print only the unique elements. Thank you all. If you're still tuned, like and subscribe to this channel, share with your friends. Thank you and have a great day.